correct Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this ASX ADAS. As you can see, it is a beautiful vehicle and it is one of the safest Mitsubishis out there. So being the ES model, you do get all the safety features of the Exceed model. Starting off at the front, we have got that iconic Mitsubishi dynamic shield look just up here, which is Mitsubishi's updated look for all their new models. We've also got those really sharp headlights there with the projector beam in there as well. Just down here you have got fog lights, and as you can see, those lit up DRLs as well. Making our way down this side of the vehicle, the paintwork is all in fairly good condition, and that first alloy wheel there is actually completely unmarked. Still plenty of tread left in the tire as well. We've got color matched door handles and side mirrors with the indicator built into the side mirror there as well. Now having a look inside the car now, as you can see, all the bolsters are in really good condition. So well done to the previous owner for how well they have looked after the vehicle. And the doors themselves also minimal scuffs, so they haven't actually been kicking their doors open. Next alloy wheel there, once again completely unmarked. There's still plenty of tread left in the tire as well. Having a look on the back of the vehicle now, we have got that high mounted stoplight with that rear wiper as well. When we open this up, as you can see, for the ASX, it does have plenty of boot space in here. We have got the parcel shelf, which will keep everything private in the back. When we open this up, you have got the space saver spare in there, as well as the all your jack and tools and all that. Closing it back up, you will notice you have got the color matched parking sensors on the back and a reverse camera built into the tailgate. Making our way along this side, the fuel filler cap is on this side, and that next alloy wheel, once again completely unmarked, still plenty of tread left in the tire as well. Paintwork all the way along this side does present in really good condition, and even if I'm trying to be picky, I can't actually spot anything on the side of the vehicle. Next alloy wheel, once again the one that usually gets the most amount of scuffs, is still in fantastic condition and still plenty of tread left in the tire. What we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Right, taking a look under the bonnet now, what we have is Mitsubishi's iconic MY19 engine, most commonly found in the Lancer but now adapted into the ASX. It is a 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine with a 6-speed CVT or automatic gearbox. It does have a 5-star ANCAP safety rating with 7 airbags. The power output from this engine is 110 kilowatts with 197 newton meters of torque. Where the engine really does stand out is its fuel economy. So it runs with 63 litres of 91 fuel. It's 7.6 litres per 100, which will give you an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 829 kilometers from a full tank. Look inside the ASX now. Just on the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window controls. Now the driver's side is automatic up and down. Just above that you've got the door lock as well as the window lock, and above that again the toggle for your power mirrors. On the right hand side here you do get an adjuster for your headlights, so you can actually change the angle of your headlights. And being the ADAS edition, you do get forward collision mitigation and blind spot monitors here as well. We've also got your parking sonar and your lane departure warning buttons there as well. On the right hand stalk you've got your indicators as well as your dusk sensing headlights and automatic high beams as well. No automatic high beams, just dusk sensing headlights. On the left hand side here you have got the washer and wiper settings. Now the washers are also rain sensing, so you can actually leave it in auto and the wipers will decide for themselves. On the steering wheel itself, you've got all your cruise control settings on the right and your media settings on the left. Now if we pan on into the middle screen, it is Mitsubishi's updated entertainment system, which gives you AM and FM radio, digital radio and Bluetooth. You've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard in this vehicle as well. Now if I put it into reverse, you can see you've got a very wide rear view camera there, so you can see the rear bumper just at the bottom of the screen, which makes it really easy when you're backing up. Below the screen you've got all your climate control settings, then you've got 2 USB ports and your traction control button, as well as your 12-volt socket. Just in here there is a little bit of storage, and the leather wrapped shifter itself is very nice to hold, and you've got a couple gears below drive if you needed a bit of extra power. Just back here you've got 2 cup holders, a hard handbrake and that leather wrapped center console. When you open it up you've got a tray here if you wanted to store your wallet or something while you're driving, and just in there you've got a 12-volt socket and a fair bit of storage. Now if we pan around the interior, you will notice it is actually still in very good condition, and yeah, kudos to the previous owner because they have actually maintained this car very well. Alright, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this ASX ADAS. Now it is a very safe car, so please ask us about the safety features, because we would be more than happy to walk you through everything that I haven't actually got around to covering in this video. A couple things I would recommend is ask us about the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork, and it is also going to protect it from fading, oxidization, and a variety of environmental damage. The other thing is the mechanical protection plan, because that's going to give you an extra 5 years of cover on top of your new car warranty on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get platinum roadside assist and 10 years of that at that, and you have also got unlimited claims at $3,600 per claim. Now, if you have any questions about anything I've mentioned today, please give us a call on 990-70-555. If you're using our in-house finance as well, Mario and Julie can actually tailor a package for your needs, which will actually include all these things in it and fit well within your budget too. Just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews as well. 4.8 stars with over 950 reviews from customers Australia-wide. So people enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we make sure that you are getting into a good quality vehicle from the right people. So once again, the number is 990-70-555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.